Hey there, digital hustlers. Welcome to Digital Preeyam, your ultimate destination for expert digital marketing tips, strategies, and insights. I'm Preeyam Kumar Prasad, and I'm here to help you grow your brand, boost engagement, and dominate the online world. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or aspiring marketer, this channel is packed with SEO secrets, social media hacks, content strategies, and paid ad tricks to take your brand to the next level. Today, we are providing a brief introduction to digital marketing. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's build your digital success story together. Digital marketing is the practice of promoting goods, services, or brands to customers or businesses via the use of digital channels, platforms, and technology. It includes a broad range of online techniques and approaches meant to connect with and captivate target audiences, produce leads, increase traffic, and eventually accomplish business goals. Digital marketing connects with potential customers and cultivates relationships with them by utilizing a variety of digital channels, including websites, search engines, social media, email, mobile apps, and online advertising. Digital marketing offers more flexibility, precise targeting, and real-time analytics than traditional marketing, which depends on offline media like print, TV, and radio. This enables marketers to assess the success of their campaigns and make data-driven decisions. In general, digital marketing has grown to be a crucial component of contemporary business plans, allowing organizations to reach a worldwide audience, raise brand awareness, boost revenue, and cultivate client loyalty in the digital era.